All right, I'm here at the Pearce by CBRE booth with Sway. Sway, how's it going today?
Not too bad. How about you?
I'm doing great. So tell me a little bit more about what you guys do.
Yeah, so we're EV services. We're charger agnostic, so we're trained in all of the brands to make sure that they're up and going, keep the uptime going for all of the CPOs. Preventative maintenance, corrective maintenance, weights and measures are just some of the few services that we provide.
Okay, well, we all know that uptime is really important. We also know some of these crazy statistics about downtime. So I got to ask, you guys probably see all the issues.
We do.
What are some of the biggest issues that you encounter?
So connectivity, the charger can't see the sun. That might be an issue.
Yeah.
Making sure that the charger can get signals. So we help make all of that happen.
Incredible. And so what are some things that maybe people don't know about Pearce, which you guys are up to that they should know?
We're the ones that make sure you are reducing range anxiety. That's what we do. We help reduce range anxiety.
That's it.
That's
range
it.
anxiety still exists.
That's us.
It's still a barrier to EV
Yeah.
adoption. I think we could all agree that we want more EVs on the road. And so whatever we could do to make sure that that infrastructure is there and drivers need it.
That's right.
You guys are doing good work.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing what you do.
Absolutely.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.